Hello again. In the second video of molecular genetics, we have this question from 7 to the 13, okay? And we have these terms from A to E: translation, transcription, replication, RNA processing, and the last one, which is none of the above, okay? We have to match it with the following statements. It starts from 7 to the 13, okay? So the seventh one, let's say, it is synthesis of RNA. So the process of synthesis is done by the transcription process, okay, which it is B, okay. So RNA, it will be synthesized during transcription process, requires RNA polymerase. So which process requires RNA polymerase? RNA polymerase is an enzyme for synthesizing RNA, okay, in which we need it, okay, during the transcription process. So the answer is B. It's again transcription process. Synthesis of DNA. DNA is synthesizing during the replication process, okay. So the answer for this question is replication, which it is C, okay. Removal of introns, as we mentioned that the introns are non-coding regions of DNA. It means they are not coding any gene or any protein, okay. So this is done during the process of RNA processing, okay. During RNA processing, the introns will be removed, okay, and the initial transcript, which is long, it will be shorter in size. So the answer for this one is D, okay. So the next question said involves the formation of polypeptide chain. So after the RNA is transcribed, then it will be translated into a polypeptide chain, or we can say into protein, okay. By which process? By translation process, okay, which it is A. Occurs during interface of the cell cycle. So which process occurs during the interface? Interface, it means G1S and G2, okay. So during S phase, which it is included in the interface, the process of replication will occurs. The process of replication, which it is C, okay. Specifically during S phase, requires DNA polymerase. So DNA polymerase, like RNA polymerase, it's an enzyme which it is needed for the formation of DNA, okay. So when we need it during replication process, which it is C, okay. So guys, as you saw, this is a matching question and it is very easy. We have to know what's happening during each process of the transcription, translation, and replication, and these three processes, we call them the central dogma of molecular biology, okay. These three processes, we call them the replication, transcription, and translation. We call them the central central dogma of molecular biology. Okay, so I hope it's clear, and in the next video we will explain the last part of molecular genetics, in which we will start from the question 14.